Hello, welcome to Rock Natural, the beauty and business space. This channel is for beauty entrepreneurs and beauty entrepreneurs working in the 9-to-5 space. If you have not seen my video about the change I will be making on my channel, be sure to check that out here. In today's video, I will be showing you how to do Zoom makeup. If you are like me and you are Zoom calling all day and you just want to feel good, today's video will be showing you just a quick 5-minute Zoom presentable makeup look. The point of this video is to give you ideas on how to do a quick makeup look without feeling the pressure. But I have found that if I'm feeling confident in my look, I do better in meetings, and so that is why I wanted to share this with you. But you want to start by just doing your face prep. Then if you want, you can do a light layer of foundation. I'm going to be using the Dermablend foundation. This foundation is super light and it gives me the coverage that I want. The point of the video is to give you an idea of a look that is presentable, and honestly for me it's something that I do anyways if I want a 5-minute makeup look. So you want to go ahead and blend out that foundation, apply more if you need to, but this foundation is pretty full coverage and I'm not looking for anything heavy. I'm mainly looking for just some coverage so my skin looks nice and it kind of looks like I have makeup on, but it'll end up being like a no makeup look. The other key with this makeup look is that you want it to be oil or sweat proof, just because I find that it'll show up better on camera. So that's why this foundation is perfect, because it's not super oily and it's lightweight. So now that we have a good base, you want to go ahead and decide on whichever concealer you want. I am going to be choosing one that is closer to my skin tone so that it doesn't look like I have concealer on, but there's enough coverage, especially if you got those bags under your eyes and you're trying to cover up the late night sleep from staying up in packaging orders or working on your own business. So I'm just going to put a little bit, and the key is to use just enough to give you the coverage you want, but not a lot. And I'm going to be using that same foundation brush to blend out the concealer, because then it'll just look more flawless. And go ahead and do the same thing to the other side. There, and I'm only applying the concealer underneath my eyes. Now you just want to make sure that you take some powder, and you're not necessarily baking, but you want to take a brush like so. And you want to just brush the powder over, dip it in the powder, and then brush the powder over those areas. So like we said, it's not oily and it's setting that concealer in place. At this point, you can decide to either do contour, or you can decide to do blush, or you can decide to do both. I am just going to do a little blush because I just want like a fresh face type look, and so I'm going to skip the concealer. Today I'm going to be using this Morphe palette, Totally Tan. It's a face palette, and I'm just going to pick up a little bit of the blush color and apply that to my cheek area. And at this point you can apply as little or as much blush as you like. I'm just going to apply a light layer to give me just like that blush fresh face type look. That's all that I'm going to do. Let me just apply something on my lips. So at this point we're pretty much done. Two options here. You can apply some lashes, which is what I'll be doing, or you can just apply some mascara. The point of this is to kind of brighten up your eyes, make your eyes look wider, make it look like you weren't just asleep 30 minutes ago if you just woke up. So go ahead and do that now. Okay, so if you do decide to do lashes, I would say choose ones that are more natural. Mine's are in between, but that's okay. After that, you want to go ahead and do your eyebrows. My go-to has literally just been using eyebrow gel and applying it to my eyebrows without any extra product. As everything else, if you want more defined brows, go ahead and take the time to define your brows using brow gel. After we do our brows, as you can see, we're still looking pretty natural. You want to go ahead and apply a lip color of some sort, or you could just apply a gloss, which I did. Well, it's not really a gloss, but it's the lip injection by Too Faced, and this usually just does it just right for me. But that is all. That was all. Can you believe how quick that was? In this video, we learned how to do a quick Zoom meeting makeup, and the point of the Zoom meeting makeup is so that you feel more confident, you look more alive and attentive, and you perform better overall. If you enjoy videos like this, or this video in particular, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'm so happy to be in 2021 and just starting new adventures here on my channel. Don't forget to subscribe so that you can come along and learn all the tips and tricks for a beauty entrepreneur and someone who is also in the 9-to-5 workspace. And I will see you in my next upload. Toodles.